This FAS Liftmaster LA500 control board is a genuine Liftmaster replacement designed specifically for the newer LA series gate operators, which gives confidence in long-term reliability and fit. The Burgundy Generation 3 design works with compatible LA400, LA412, and LA500 operators made after early 2016, making it ideal for updating modern swing gate systems. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with gate operators, as the board is laid out clearly and matches existing harnesses and mounting points on the correct models. Once installed, the control board restores smooth, consistent gate movement and dependable daily operation, which is crucial for both residential and light commercial entrances. Its support for MyQ connectivity allows integration with Liftmaster smart access systems, so you can monitor and control the gate remotely with compatible accessories. Overall, this replacement board is a solid choice for extending the life of a post-2016 Liftmaster LA series gate operator without having to replace the entire unit.